Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal from oats. First, select your favorite type of oats, whether it's quick cooking, rolled, or steel cut. For a single serving, measure out 1/2 cup of oats and combine it with 1 cup of water or milk in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. The cooking time varies depending on your oat choice. Rolled oats typically need about 5 to 7 minutes of simmering, while steel-cut oats will take longer, usually 20 to 30 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. If you prefer a creamier or thinner consistency, simply add a bit more liquid during or after cooking until it reaches your desired texture. Now for the fun part, flavoring. A small pinch of salt really enhances the taste. You can sweeten your oatmeal with honey, maple syrup, or brown sugar to your liking. For toppings, consider fresh berries, sliced bananas, chopped nuts, or a dash of cinnamon. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices like nutmeg or cardamom for unique flavor profiles. If you have any leftover oatmeal, it stores beautifully. Simply transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days. When you're ready to enjoy it again, reheat gently on the stovetop with a splash of water or milk, or warm it in the microwave. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.